To make super fluffy pancakes, start by whisking flour, sugar, salt, and 3½ teaspoons of baking powder. Make a well in the center. Then pour in milk, an egg, melted butter, and a splash of vanilla. Gently stir until just combined. Lumps are totally okay. Let it rest for 5 to 10 minutes. Scoop batter onto a hot, buttered pan over medium heat and let it start cooking. When you see bubbles popping on top and the edges look set, gently slide the spatula underneath and flip it over for that beautiful golden brown crust. Stack your pancakes nice and high, add a pat of fresh butter, then drizzle warm maple syrup over the top. Now they're ready to enjoy, soft, fluffy, and absolutely delicious. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to subscribe for more quick, and delicious recipes every week.